So let me demonstrate here how to use layers in your drawing. We took a moment to look at the line type and turning it on and off. Now you'll notice that the lines for the concrete are dashed and they really shouldn't be. So if we want to change that, we can click on Layer Properties, go to the layer that we'd like to adjust, and change that line type back to one that we can use that's a solid continuous line type. To close the screen, click on the X in the upper left hand corner, and you'll notice that the line types have changed to a solid line. You can also see that some of the lines are thicker and thinner in this drawing, including the lines that you have just worked on. So other than drawing a line on the layer that you've created from the Layer Properties box and setting a layer current, you can use this quick layer box with a pull-down menu to see which layers are turned on, off, frozen, or locked, and their color and name. So we've drawn all of our objects on the layer A building, but we don't necessarily want them to be on that layer. The easiest way to do this is to click on the objects that you'd like to change using our select and changing them to the layer that you'd like them to be on. So we're changing this one to the concrete layer. Now we have a tree here. Select the tree and all the objects associated with it and change that to the tree layer. Fabulous. Again, deselect. Count those as green. And the final items will be on the shrub layer. Again, deselect. Okay, so that is what I would like for you to do in your drawing, is change all of the objects to the layers as you see on the screen. So the rectangles will be on the concrete layer, the tree will be on the tree layer, and the shrubs will be on their own layer as well. Now, through the Layer Properties box, I'd also like you to do two more things. I'd like you to add a layer, and we're going to call that L wall, and we're going to make that magenta. So that's going to be our thicker objects. And going to the line weight, we'd like that to be 0.30 and hit OK. Now add one more layer. Actually, that's good on the layers. Apologize for that. We're going to go to shrubs and change the shrubs from white to yellow and hit OK. And change the default to 0.13 millimeters. Now when you X the box in the corner, you should see a change here on the shrubs from a solid white, which is black or white, depending on the background that you have. We're going to select these two objects and put them on the layer L wall. So that's what I'm asking you to do for this first assignment.